Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm holding it. This is my book. It is called Level Up: How to Get Focused, Stop Procrastinating, and Upgrade Your Life. And in this short bonus episode, I'm going to talk to you about the book and how if you pre-order it now, you'll automatically get a free mini course from me, and you'll get entered into winning over $25,000 in cash and prizes for pre-ordering as well. This book took me 3 years to write, 16 rounds of edits, late nights, early mornings, writing it. I rewrote it multiple times, and it's all my knowledge from 17 years of coaching people since 2006, my life experience over the past 37 years of being alive, and everything that I could put into it to try to help you improve your life. I wrote this book to basically be a one-stop shop, the masterclass on how to master your mind so that you can stop holding yourself back and actually create action to create the life that you want. There's 3 parts of this book. The first part, and what I teach you, is why you don't take action. Because before I can teach you how to take action to create the life that you want, you must understand yourself, your mind, and why you don't take action when you know what you probably should do. So you can get past that. The second part of the book, the second section, is where I teach you how to take action so you can actually create the life that you want. How to get efficient, how to get better at time management, how to stop procrastinating on the life that you want, and how to actually hit your goals. And in the third section, I teach you how to turn all of those actions that you're now getting better at and make them habits, something that you do every single day, and how to actually fall in love with the process. Yes, how to fall in love with the process of taking the action that you have been resisting to build the life that you want. This book comes out, the actual published date is October 3rd. And you can wait to buy it till then if you want to, or you can buy it on pre-sale. And when you buy it on pre-sale, you will automatically get a free mini course from me called the Get Off Your Ass Masterclass. Yes, that is where I will teach you how to stop procrastinating, how to take action, and how to actually get the ball rolling in your life. And when you actually get this as well, besides getting the free mini course, you'll go into a drawing. Every single person will go into a drawing that pre-orders this book for $25,000 in cash and prizes. So let me tell you why it's so important for me and for this book, and hopefully for the world, that you actually pre-order this book instead of waiting. Number 1, you'll get the book to your doorstep the day that the book comes out. And number 2, all of the pre-sale orders count for the first week of sales. That helps this book hit all of the bestseller lists. And when you get on a bestseller list, it helps the book be discovered by people who don't know who I am, people who don't listen to this podcast, and hopefully allows me to help those people change their life and impact their lives as well. So if you've ever gotten any value from any of the 1,300 or 1,400 podcast episodes that I've done over the past 8 years, 3 to 4 times a week, or if you've ever gotten value from over 7,000 Instagram posts that I've put up, please do me a favor. Do this right now. Go to robdial.com/book, ROBDIAL.com/book right now. I have all of the links to purchase this book for pre-sale available on that website. And then it will actually take you step by step through the exact process that you need to go through after purchasing the pre-sale book to get off your asset masterclass absolutely free, which is where I'll teach you how to stop procrastinating, how to get focused, and how to take meaningful action. And then you'll be entered into the drawing, and this is how you enter into the drawings on that website, where I'll be giving out, once again, over $25,000 in cash and prizes only to people who pre-sale it. And then once the book launches on October 3rd, all of that will disappear. The cash and prizes, you won't be able to be entered into it, and you also won't be able to get the free masterclass as well. So once again, if you want this book, please right now go to robdial.com/book, ROBDIAL.com/book. Pre-order it now. I hope that it changes your life. I've put everything that I possibly can, blood, sweat, and tears, and so much into editing to try to make this the best book that I possibly can. So if you would do that for me, once again, I'll put it down below in the description, everything, robdial.com/book. Thank you. Love you. See you on the next podcast episode.